Hey guys, I forgot to show you something, but we have kitties. Lux, Lux the famous. Jingle, why are you? So this is Lux, the lazy one, not the mom of Jingle. Jingle was not kidnapped. Jingle, my sister, took. Not kidnapped again. I'll say that. But wait, let me turn on the light for you. Here's my mom. Mom, say hi. Mom, this is like trying to get Elena to say hi. But wait. Oh, they can't be in contact with each other. Lux was not wild. She was not like, oh yeah. Dad, say hi. Say hi to all like the 5-year-olds. To all the 5-year-olds and 8-year-olds who are watching this. But you're famous now. But you're gonna be famous now. 2 years and this will have 1 million likes probably because of these adorable kitties. This one's more adorable. Aww, she's so cute. I'm just like turning around. See my mouth. Oh yeah, my neck hurts, so I can't really turn my head. But she's so cute. Oh, this is like what? Hey, these are stuffed animals we never use. But if you want to see more PS4, please leave a like. Actually, can we just make 2 likes on this video? Please. 2 likes, at least on any video. But yeah, just 1 like for more PS4. More PS4, please. And then there's the VR headset. Yeah, I have everything. The controllers. The camera. I need to adjust. Yeah, I'm showing you my setup. Kind of. Like this camera we do not use for TV. This is like for like my moving around space. Like my space I get to move around in. My dad again. Oh, where'd Lux go? Jingle's still inside the same place. She's like, oh my god, giant. Oh, there's Lux. Oh, she runs. And, Jingle, can you do the outro? She said, leave a like, subscribe, and bye. Don't say that!